Hello and welcome to my video on the No Deposit Bonus Forex. I'm Enda. Today I'm excited to introduce you to an exclusive opportunity for a free $50 for Forex trading. To get your No Deposit Bonus Forex of $50, make sure to use my exclusive link in the description to sign up. It's important to verify your ID and proof of address to claim the bonus. Vantage Markets offers an exciting No Deposit Bonus Forex promotion, providing new traders with a $50 bonus without requiring an initial deposit. This bonus is available to the first 3 clients who sign up for live accounts each week through my exclusive link. Here's how you can take advantage of this offer. Step 1. Visit the Vantage Markets website and sign up for a live trading account with my link. Step 2. Complete the verification process by providing valid identification and proof of address. Step 3. Once your account is verified, you'll receive the $50 bonus, allowing you to start trading without making an initial deposit. Vantage Markets, headquartered in Sydney, has over 13 years of experience and operates in 172 countries. Known for its user-friendly interface, ultra-fast execution, and dedicated customer service, Vantage Markets provides a secure and transparent trading environment. The platform offers a wide range of trading products, including Forex, commodities, indices, share CFDs, ETFs, metals, and bonds, with competitive spreads as low as 0 pips. Here are some advantages of trading with Vantage Markets. 1. Diverse product offering. Vantage Markets provides access to over 1,000 CFD products, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on various market opportunities. 2. Advanced trading platforms. The platform supports MetaTrader 4 and 5 ProTrader and its proprietary Vantage app, all equipped with advanced tools and customizable charts. 3. Fast and secure transactions. Vantage Markets ensures ultra-fast trade execution through its high-capacity fiber-optic network and global servers. Clients' funds are secure in segregated accounts with top-tier banks. 4. Comprehensive support and resources. The platform offers round-the-clock customer support, daily market commentary, and extensive educational resources, including webinars and demo accounts with virtual funds. Remember, to get your No Deposit Bonus Forex of $50, make sure to use my exclusive link in the description to sign up, and it's important to verify your ID and proof of address to claim the bonus. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.